Mira.
I'm Eric.
Today we're going to show you how to make nasi kerabu. This is our favorite food in Malaysia and you can get it mostly in Kelantan. He had it a few times and he likes it, and we cannot find it here, so we have no choice but to try to make it ourselves. So this rice has few parts. Today we're going to make nasi kerabu and pair it with a side dish, ayam bakar. This is the grilled chicken, and nasi kerabu itself consists of few parts. As a side dish, there's budu, there's chili sauce, and there's, and the ulam, the vegetables, and of course the blue rice itself.
Wow, the blue rice.
Yeah. We're going to make it with not food coloring. This time we found a butterfly piece.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you everything. But first,
we're going to start with the ayam bakar first. And if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends if you think they would also like to see this video.
Yeah.
First we have cut up the ingredients for the chicken marinade. For the ayam bakar, we're using ginger, garlic, shallots, onion and lemongrass. We're gonna blend it up in our blender.
This is a part of the marinade.
We're cooking this for 2 people, and we have put the amounts in the description below this video, so you know exactly the amounts of ingredients we used. And add a little bit of water.
And of course, you don't forget the dry chili that he already softened in hot water.
Just take the soaked chili out in the blender as well. Just blend it up real quick. Put some extra water in there just to make sure the blender does its work good.
Yeah.
So it's all blended up nicely now.
Yeah.
It's time to
cut the chicken.
Cut the chicken.
With your meat cleaver.
With my meat cleaver. I think we're gonna cut it in 3 pieces.
Yeah, you're using 2 chicken legs, chicken thigh.
Leg is 1 piece, and the thigh will be cut into 2 pieces. There we go.
Ooh.
Marinate the chicken.
Yeah.
Wow, it smells good. Let's see if we can have enough space. It just fits perfectly. Pour the marinade on top of the chicken. So this is the first step of the marinating of the chicken. Second step will be adding the spices on there. We have our turmeric. Put some turmeric on there. Some cumin. Put less cumin, like 1/2 teaspoon. Some fennel powder as well. Like 1/2 teaspoon. Next ingredient is some sugar. We try to keep the sugar down, let's say 2 teaspoons.
Yeah.
And last but not least, we put some salt on there. You can use some spoon if you want to, but I'm gonna get my hands dirty. Put it in there.
Gonna have yellow fingers.
Yellow fingers.
Okay.
Alright, so it's been covered up. Time to put it in the fridge.
Yeah.
And go to the next step.
Yeah. So the next part is the
budu. We got this budu from Kelantan. It was a present from Zira's mom, so that's super great. We are so happy with it. We like budu a lot. I especially like budu together with the Kelantanese food. I'm a real budu enthusiast. We still have more, it's almost finished.
Yeah, it's almost at the end here.
We still have one bottle more.
Yeah.
The next time we're in Kelantan, we're gonna buy definitely more bottles. So let's make some budu sauce to go with the nasi kerabu. We put some budu in the pan. Not too much because remember this is just for 2 people only.
Maybe finish it. Looks like it's at the end.
It's finished.
Yeah. When is the expiry date? Oh, 2022.
Cap buah kertas. And it's from Bacok in Kelantan. We're gonna flavor this budu with 3 ingredients: gula melaka, kaffir lime leaves, and lemongrass. We just put them right into the pan with the budu, bring it to the boil,
And let it infuse.
It smells pungent indeed. We just transfer it into the bowl,
Next.
infuse some more, and later it's gonna be cooled down.
There you have it. That's the budu sauce. The next one is, the next condiment is sambal, of course. What would it be without some spiciness? So we would use this chili, the very hot chili, chili rawit, or what we call in Malaysia, it's like chili padi. Gonna blend it and make a sauce out of it. Put some gula, 1 teaspoon of gula. There you go. And some garam.
A little bit of salt as well.
Yeah. And of course the vinegar. So what? Okay, next. Time to make the noise. There we have it. Gonna transfer it to a bowl. There you go. Oh, it's coming up. There's the sauce.
Chili sauce finished. The next step is going to be the sambal kelapa, and for this we have some coconut that has been shredded. We're gonna turn it into a brown, to a light brown coconut.
Yeah.
This is gonna take a while, so we're gonna start with the rest of the ingredients. In the meantime, we just stir it a little bit, make sure it gets brown. So we are gonna cook the fish while the kelapa is browning. We have mackerel.
Yeah.
We have 2 mackerels here,
Yeah.
2 Indian mackerel, and we're gonna steam them.
Yeah.
I just cleaned them, gutted them, put them in the pan, together with some asam gulukur
Yeah.
and some water. There goes the water.
A little bit. Okay.
Add some salt to it. There we go.
Put these. There you go. Can put it.
The kelapa is cooking. It will take a while before it starts to brown and all the moisture is gone. Put the lid on.
Yeah.
And we try to cook it for just a few minutes until the fish is done. Maybe around 5 to 10 minutes, we will see. So we continue with the sambal kelapa.
Yeah.
We prepared the ingredients that we're gonna blend. Again, we're using the onion, garlic, lemongrass and ginger. And we're gonna blend it with a little bit of water.
It's perfect. Nice.
So the chicken has been marinating in the fridge for a couple of hours.
Yeah.
Next step is we're gonna cook them. We're not gonna use oil this time, we're gonna use the air fryer.
Yeah.
So let's put them in the air fryer. Chicken in the air fryer. Let's put it on.
It seems like the coconut already browned.
Brown nicely.
Yeah. So it's time.
It's time to take out the coconut.
Setting it aside.
Keep this for later.
Yeah. The fish has finished steaming. We're going to let it cool a bit before we tear it apart. It smells like awesome. So this is the butterfly pea flowers in the hot water that we soak to unleash its blue color. We're gonna use it for the rice.
2 cups. We're continuing with the sambal kelapa. This is the mixture that we blended earlier. Gonna cook it. We're gonna add to this garam, gula and pepper. Gonna add the freshly ground pepper.
Beautiful.
And some freshly ground salt. And then we add 2 teaspoons of sugar to it.
Yeah. So we cook it on the fire a bit. Stir it around.
So this is the fish that we cooked earlier. We removed the skin, the bones, and we shred it up.
Yeah.
Just a little bit because we're gonna put it in the blender now.
Yeah. Put some.
Add some water to it. And we're turning it into a fish milkshake.
Fishy mince.
There's a fish milkshake, is that?
Yeah. Looks good. I'm gonna add it here.
We're gonna add this fish mixture to the other ingredients and cook them together.
Yeah. We can try a bit.
It's what has a lot more.
Nice. Mix it.
While the sambal is cooking, Zira is preparing the ulam. What kind of ulam are you preparing for this?
This is the cabbage. We can't really find the other ingredient like a ginger tosh, bunga kantan.
Yeah, no
And I
bunga
can't-
tandan.
and I can't eat toge. So it's going to be only cabbage, cucumber, and a little bit of a long bean.
That's awesome. And how do you cook them?
Just cut it very finely like this, as you can see, making it very fine, so it's easier to for you to press it on top of your rice.
Oh, cool.
That's nice. Okay, now that it's got the sambal with the fish already dried a bit, now I can put the coconut together. So let them mingle with each other and make it dry a bit. And that's the sambal kelapa. We already added the coconut in the mixture of the sauce and the fish. Now they're looking good mingling together. I'm gonna try it up a little bit more.
It's time to cook the rice, our blue rice. We're gonna put the rice in the pan over here.
Put 1 cup of water, 1 cup of blue water. How do you know it's 1 cup?
Gonna measure the water.
See the blue water. It's very full.
1 cup of blue water.
in.
And to this water we add some lemongrass, some ginger and some coffee lime leaves. And some salt.
Yeah.
Well, put a lid on, let it cook.
Yeah.
We're gonna make ourselves some krupuk. So
Yeah.
we heated up the oil,
Yeah.
180 degrees. Let's make some magic.
There you go. Some fry up kerupuk. Wow, it's a lot.
It's done so quickly. Awesome.
It's it, right? Do you want more? Turn off the fire.
The krupuk is done in just a few seconds.
Cool. Beautiful.
The krupuk ikan we're using today is from Kelantan. It's from Machang actually.
Yeah.
It was a present from Zira's mom and we are very happy to use this krupuk. We use it quite often and we enjoy krupuk a lot. So this is the one we use, Kelantan style.
Oh.
Wow everybody, look at this. We finished our blue rice, ayam bakar,
Yeah.
we got our two sauces, we got our sambal kelapa, we got our ulam, and we got our keropok.
Yeah.
It's time to eat.
It's time to eat.
Looks
do you-
really good.
You need your veggies.
We put some of those delicious ulam,
Yeah.
kacang panjang, got some green beans, got some kubis, we got some cucumber. Wow,
Yeah.
the sambal kelapa that we mix together with the fish.
It's the
What do you smell? It smells so good.
yeah. It smells like the herbs and the vegetable, and the
Yeah,
chicken itself.
it smells good.
Yeah.
Let's get some of the budu.
Yeah. Get it. Oh, it's very crunchy. This one. And it's healthier.
I like my budu.
Mm.
I like some of the spice, but it's very spicy.
Now be careful with that one.
Gonna
I
take it
feel
easy. I will be very careful.
I feel it.
Yeah. Oh, look at this chicken.
You don't want your kerupuk?
Kropok. Almost forgot about my kropok. Put some kropok in there as well.
If you like this recipe we make, you can give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this
Yeah.
video. And thank you for watching.
Thank you very much for watching. Please leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about it. Did we do a good job? Maybe you're thinking, this is not nasi kerabu. Let us know as well.
Don't be shy.
See you in the next video. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
How is it?
Mmm. Wow.
It's good.
Delicious.